Hey everybody, Greg from Park Journey here. I'm here at Six Flags Magic Mountain about to take another ride on Wonder Woman Flight of Courage. I actually just rode this for Muse TV for my good friend Mike, so now I'm riding for our channel. Hopefully I won't get sick this time. Oh, I didn't get sick last time, but hopefully I won't get sick at all. Anyway, we're here at Wonder Woman Flight of Courage, the newest, latest, and greatest RXC creation here at Six Flags Magic Mountain. The tallest, fastest, longest single rail coaster ever created. You can see how fast we're at the top of the lift hill. Now we're ready to go. Here we go, Wonder Woman Flight of Courage. Yeah! Flip-de-doo! Yeah! Airtime, baby! Top Gun stall. That turn is crazy. Airtime. 0G roll. Into the mid-course brake. Here we go, down through Metropolis. Airtime. Airtime. More airtime. And right through to the final brakes. Oh. So there it is, Wonder Woman Flight of Courage at Six Flags Magic Mountain. Coaster officially opens in a couple days from now, July 16th. So get out here and ride it. You will not be disappointed. The 20th coaster at Six Flags Magic Mountain definitely does not disappoint. You are going to love it.